Yeah, we're gonna have to swing around and get that. Hopefully he's not gonna get to that other one.
Stay out of the gill. Don't touch that.
Morning, everybody. Welcome to On the Water Adventures. I'm your host, Captain Doug Schreiber. Today is the second part of our two-part show with Brett Jolly, Captain Brett Jolly. We're out musky fishing. We're out on Green Bay. We're shooting in early October, and we had just an unbelievable day with Brett. We ended up total 7 fish in the boat, 12 fish on. Unbelievable day. This is the second half of our show. Watch for the big one that Brett puts in the boat about the middle of the show. We'll also talk about what we're using, how Brett's rigging, and how we're catching these fish. So stay with us, because we're on the water. Looks like a shark coming in. To say they gotta give a little more fight than a sheephead there, Captain Doug. I'm liking this.
Again, get a good firm grip on her jawbone. Support the belly as you take her up. Oh yeah.
Oh, another gorgeous fish.
That's another beauty. Good job, Greg.
How big do you? Good job, Brett.
Get her back. She's ready.
She's ready. Let's let her go.
Off it and got her out and got a fish. Sunk that board. It's hard to get them to come back up with that board underwater. Come on. It's when I wish the board would actually just pop off. Here it comes. Scoop them down. There you go.
All right.
Nice. That's a good, another mid-40s. Not too bad. All right. Oh, that might be a high 40s. Oh yeah.
Oh, gorgeous.
That's a good one.
That is a gorgeous muskie.
Yeah, that's probably 45, 46. Pretty easy.
Nice, healthy.
Oh yeah, she's a chunk.
They eat well out here.
That's for sure. We'll get her back. Let her turn into one of those 50s.
There we go.
You want some of this? How about this? What about this? How about this? If a relaxing vacation is on your mind, give Apple Vacations a call. On the Water Adventures visited the Melia Azul Resort Ixtapa this spring, and to put it mildly, it was fantastic. Whether the beach is your thing, fishing on the Pacific Ocean, or just taking the kids to a safe and enjoyable destination, the Melia Azul Resort Ixtapa is a great place in a tropical setting to visit. Log on to applevacations.com or call your local travel agent and book your dream Apple vacation today. Apple Vacations is the official travel provider for On the Water Adventures.
The Hookset tip-up is extremely easy to set up. We push down and turn to engage it in any of those 3 notches, set the flag under the T-bar. Now when that fish bites, the spring decompresses and sets the hook firmly into the mouth of the fish.
The Hookset tip-up has the highest hookup percentage. How often does your tip-up hook up?
Hookset tip-ups are available at hooksettip-up.com, Gander Mountain, Shields All Sport, Sportsman's Warehouse, and select Mills Fleet Farm, Wisconsin stores.
Buck Country Camo. Whether in the woods turkey hunting, in the marsh duck hunting, or up a tree bow hunting, Buck Country Camo from huntingshop.com. The official outerwear of On the Water Adventures. Affordable outerwear to cover you from head to toe.
Out here, a man's gear better stand up. This Reynolds fella, good example of that. Divides his time hunting, roping, and makes his living fishing. Always after the big ones, crappie, bass, or redfish. He's partial to vicious fishing lines. Cast easy, resist abrasion, sensitive to the slightest strikes. Time to get vicious. Reckon? I'm gonna need a bigger net.
They're on fire!
I got a good look at this fish. I don't want to jinx it, but I think it's a bigger fish.
Very good. You're on time.
Oh, he's come right at him.
Yeah, he's charging you.
Cases when they came right at the boat. Lead her up.
Okay, pull her in. Got her. Wow, that's some fast action.
Cow. Unbelievable.
That's like 2 in 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes is right.
Wow.
Got kind of breezy on us out here today, so we're trying to keep boat control.
That's number 5.
Wow. Literally, we were just going to kind of go a little ways further, turn around, shoot a quick closing, and man, these fish are getting in the way, aren't they?
I guess so. I need my cutter.
What do you need?
That bolt cutter.
I got you.
Gotta have the right tools. This fish is hooked pretty bad, so we gotta cut the hooks right off.
Those bolt cutters you can get anywhere. Probably much better muscle shop.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But Menards or wherever. Always have a cheap, heck, 1 or 2 pair of those around if you're coming out here. You really should.
It's probably the most important thing to have just for the...
Hooks are cheap.
Very cheap. He ate it. I think they're biting. They're on.